The NIA has taken over the probe. 8 officials from NIA team led by the IG has officially taken over the charge of the probe, and this team is already in Pathankot. They've reached from Delhi. Aditya is joining us live with more details on this. Aditya, the NIA officially taking over the probe of the Pathankot terror attack, and just give us a sense of what is going to be the focus of the investigative agency to begin with.
Well, that's right, Preeti. That is the latest news coming in, that the National Investigative Agency has taken over the entire probe of the terror strike at the Pathankot Air Force Base. In fact, we are being told that the officers are very much in Pathankot. This is being led by Inspector General of the NIA, and there are SPs and other DIGs of the NIA who are also part of this crucial team which would be investigating. In fact, now they would be registering an FIR in this case, in which the domain of investigation would be large. They would be investigating how did these people arrive here? Were there any kind of local handlers who were helping them? Because it's important to mention here that several of the ISI handlers and spies have been arrested in the last 2 months, not just from Punjab but different cities including Delhi, Kolkata and Jammu and Kashmir as well. And that is why the domain of investigation is very large. They will investigate what was the route that these guys took. If there was some kind of a local help, and what kind of a module was it. The initial reports that Times Now has accessed does include that Jaish-e-Mohammed had in fact planned this entire attack in Bahawalpur, Punjab of Pakistan. And that's where Maulana Masood Azhar has been really gearing up this Jaish-e-Mohammed, which had been really almost handicapped for last many years. So perhaps a revival of Jaish-e-Mohammed in many ways, but we are being told through our sources is that the ISI had also met agents of the Jaish-e-Mohammed and Lashkar-e-Toiba, where this entire conspiracy